Ever wished you could pan-fry a steak with a perfect charred crust and a juicy, medium-rare center every single time? Or make homemade mac and cheese that's creamier and more flavorful than any boxed version? If you're serious about cooking, these are just a few of the skills the Food Lab by J. Kenji Lopez Alt helps you master with ease. Kenji isn't just a chef, he's serious eats' culinary nerd in residence, diving deep into the science behind classic American dishes. His approach goes beyond tradition, revealing how heat, energy, and molecules work together to create better food. Instead of relying on old methods that don't always deliver, Kenji offers simple, science-backed techniques that home cooks can trust. Inside the Food Lab, you'll find hundreds of foolproof recipes, each accompanied by stunning full-color photos that guide you step by step. From making hollandaise sauce in just 2 minutes to turning a basic tomato sauce into multiple meals, this book is packed with practical tips that transform everyday cooking into something extraordinary. What sets this book apart is its blend of knowledge and accessibility. Readers rave about Kenji's clear, engaging writing style that makes complex cooking concepts easy to grasp. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, the Food Lab offers insights that improve your skills and your results. One fan with an extensive cookbook collection calls it a must-have, comparing it to classics like Joy of Cooking and Mastering the Art of French Cooking. The praise highlights how this book isn't just a reference, it's a trusted companion in the kitchen that you'll return to for years. If you want to cook smarter, not harder, and enjoy meals that impress every time, the Food Lab is worth a look. It's more than recipes, it's a new way to understand food and boost your confidence at the stove. Imagine turning simple ingredients into dishes that taste like they belong in a restaurant. Ready to upgrade your cooking game with science and style? Try the Food Lab when you're ready to see how much better your meals can be. This isn't just another cookbook, it's the key to unlocking flavors and textures you didn't think possible. Give yourself the gift of better cooking today. With the Food Lab, you get clear explanations, tested techniques, and vibrant photos that make every recipe approachable. Join thousands of cooks who've already discovered how this book changes the way they cook and enjoy food.